Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower
Give it a
50s.
minute. Mom!
Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
Just turned 10, okay.
Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Saturday night, mostly
Give it a
clear.
minute.
Lows in the mid-50s. Sunday, sunny.
Ooh, I have an idea.
Highs around 80. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. The ultraviolet index forecast for October 16th is 5 or moderate.
There you go. And it's not.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station K East C55. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bosque, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Urath, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station K East C55. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. The current time is 10:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time.